I'm from the Great White North, right? Like up above the states, the big landmass that the rest of the world hates. We're like above that, fucking north, I guess. The big patch of trees where everybody's bored to death. We're just chilling up here, sipping syrup, playing hockey. Before we learn to walk, we can cross-check properly. Just rocking plaid jackets, chainsaws, we operate them right. Fucking A-right we do, bud. We cut our weight in firewood every 20 minutes or so. Smoke break. And if the Leafs make the playoffs, I'll fucking jump in the lake. Fucking buddy comes over to my place the other night, and he's like, wanna go out for a rip? And I was like, fucking right, yo. So we hopped in the truck and hit the mud, and I was like, oh, fuck yeah, bud. Just go for the rip, buddy. I'm from the Great White North, right? Like up above the states, the big landmass, that's just the rest of the world. Just go for the rip. Just go for the rip, are you, bud? Just go for the rip. Just go for the rip, are you, bud? Just go for the rip. I come from the land of the polite, where shit's covered in ice. And when I'm down in the States, they're like, you're too fucking nice. Like, yeah, we got manners, but fucking buddies still fight and fucking swear and fucking drink all night. Like this one time, me and fucking Buddy are out having a dart, and fucking Buddy burns a hole in my coat. And I was like, fuck, bud, because the coat was pretty new, right? And he's like, fuck you. So he put his head in the snowbank. Just started fucking feeding him the right, left, like fucking boom, boom, boom. Got enough yet? And he's like, okay, fuck, chill out, shit. So I pulled him out of the snow and we went out for a rip. Yeah, just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. This has to be in the video. Jesus. What is it? Never gets Eagle double G. Eagle double G. Bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. No lie, yo lie, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she grabbing the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in the smoke, just a swing in my head. Trick, quit talking, crip walk, if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the dash, you be relieving the stress. It's the word of the Eagle double G. No. You know I'm running with the D.O.P. Yeah. It's the word of the Eagle double G. No. Hold up.
Swirl.
Hold up. Hey, all my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' ride till the wheels fall off. Hold up. Hey, all my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey, coming real, it's the next episode.
Hello. There we go. Now it works. Sorry, I had some technical issues. Anyways, I just wanted to throw this out there. Yesterday, I was on Grimmothy's show, Grimvy's show, Honeycomb Hideout or something, and you know, it's kind of a joke when there's a whole bunch of trolls trolling him or whatever, and the guy can't, you know, he can't like get rid of his trolliness. Basically, he can't just brush them off and follow through with his information or whatever when he does, you know, run his shows or whatever he's doing. You know, he focuses on the trolls, and you know, he's never gonna get anywhere when he does that sort of shit. I wouldn't say, you know, you don't need to fucking block everybody. You don't need to you don't even need to take the chat room away and shit like that, man. You just gotta you gotta brush off the trolliness, you know. You can't just, you have to let it go, man. You have to let go what the people say in the chat rooms and stuff, because you're not gonna be able to like make any change or anything if you're just gonna fucking bring up trolls and more trolls and troll. You know what I mean? Anyways, I was just bringing this up because, you know, I got banned yesterday because I can't remember exactly what I wrote in there, but it was just like, I thought you were a smart dude. Like, why don't you just like fucking, you know, brush off the trolls and go on with your duty of YouTube-ness and, you know, whatever. But you can't do it, man. Like, I've realized that lately. A lot of people are like, they can't get rid of their trolliness. They can't, you know, when people troll you in the chat room or something, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube that just like, they either like the drama and like stirring shit up because then it's easier for like, you know, an audience and people to have fun about it. But I'm just getting so fucking bored in this fucking jungle of YouTube lately that, like, you know, as soon as somebody has like trolls trolling them and shit like that, they'll just fucking, they'll sidetrack all their information or whatever they want to do or bring up, and they center on trolls, man, or shills or whatever, you know. It's like, I don't know if anybody's been told about that, but you're not supposed to fucking talk to the trolls. Like, you know, like especially on a YouTube video, if you're airing a live YouTube video and somebody's in the chat room trolling your ass and shit, don't bring them up, man. Like, that's like fucking, that's like your first technique, man. That's your first choice. This is what you should be doing. Like, I don't know, man. I think I'm pretty pissed off with you, Grim, especially because of the fact that, like, I just gave you advice. I just gave you advice, kind of just for fun, you know. Like, I was kind of being kind of trolly-ish because there were shitloads of trolls in your chat room and shit. But still, I said, like, I gave you advice, man, and then you ban me from your chat room because I give you advice. Like, how does that work out, man? Like, why do you ban people or, you know, block them from the chat room and shit when you just fucking, you know, somebody gives you advice and then you go and fucking block and ban them? It doesn't make any fucking sense at all, dude. So I just wanted to bring this shit up. It was just a quick little video. You know, I don't care if I'm gonna get any views or anything about that shit. Maybe if you're here, Grim, and you're listening to this shit, maybe you should fucking understand what the fuck you're doing, man. Because you're gonna lose a lot of fucking people. And it's getting worse because now you're turning into Chad Shilly there, and you're banning and blocking everybody around you have, and you're trying to get more viewers and stuff, and you're digging yourself a hole, man. I tried to help you about that shit and just said, like, gave you advice, like, don't bring up the fucking trolls and shit, man. Like, just don't focus on them at all. But I guess you can't. And there's a lot of other fucking YouTubers that do the same fucking shit, man. But that's all I had to say, man. I just think it's a fucking joke what you do, man. Because especially, like, I liked you at the start, and I'm in and out with you because what you do lately is getting worse, man. And you can't just, you know, even if people are trolling you in the chat room, just fucking dismiss it, man. I can't believe what you're doing. It's fucking silly, man. I thought you had a 195 IQ. If you have a 195 IQ, you wouldn't be fucking talking about these stupid fucking trolls in the chat room in the first place, man. You're supposed to fucking focus on your topics, man. Hey, Event, how's it going, man? Anyways, I'm just thinking, like, it's just a fucking joke, man. I just wanted to let you guys know that I got blocked from Grimmothy's chat room yesterday. I've been blocked from Jeff C's chat room. All these, like, big namer dudes that are, like, apparently really good people. They'll block your ass for no fucking reason, or, you know, something stupid, or like what I did with Grim yesterday. I gave him fucking advice about trolls that are trolling him and shit. He doesn't, you know, he read my advice and then he blocks me or bans me or whatever. I'm just like, are you fucking kidding me, you fucking idiot? Well, of course, you know, Twit, like, how's it going? But yeah, like, Grim's, like, yesterday, I think he blocked like fucking 10, 15 people, you know? Even if they're trolls, man, they're real people. You don't, like, people don't fucking get that either. It's like, okay, you're a troll, whatever, you're trolling people, whatever, but you still have, you're a real person, man. Like, you're not a fucking robot. Like, it's funny how people think about that shit too. It's like, yeah, you're a fucking troll, so all the trolls are all robots, you know? And it's not that it, man. Like, you know, and then the reason why is, like, most of these fucking troll accounts even popped up in the first place is because of, like, having shitty moderators like Chad Chili fucking blocking everybody like that. And then you're doing the same fucking thing, Grim. You're doing exactly the same thing, dude. So wake the fuck up, man, because you're gonna get fucking outed too, man. Like, you can't keep doing to people what you're doing nowadays. It's dumb as fuck, man. I know. I don't know if I don't get very many trolls in my chat room, or they're not fucking calling shit out at me or whatever. But I mean, if they did, I would just ignore the fuck out of them anyways, because that's the way it goes, man. Tim Osmond told us a long ass fucking time ago when he first jumped on there. Maybe you missed that fucking show, Grim, but maybe you should, because, you know, you're just focusing on the same fucking issue. I mean, you seem like a smart dude, man. So maybe you should fucking heed your advice, man. But that's about it, man. I think I'm just gonna cut out with maybe a little bit of music or something before I fucking jet. I just wanted to, you know, it's not just Grimm, man. There's others, you know, like Jeff C. There's fucking other dudes that are big namers and shit, and they do exactly the same sort of shit. And like, so that's about it, guys. Just wanted to say, you know, how's it going? And, you know, I just wanted to bring this up about Grimm because, like, you know, the dude yesterday, he totally pissed me off, man. Like, I gave him advice about, like, not fucking, like, talking about trolls in a fucking video and shit. And then you go ahead and do it. I gave you advice, dude, and you fucking blocked me for it? Like, what the fuck's wrong with you, man? So, yeah. That's about it, man. I think I'm gonna cut out with some music and maybe some more Einstein Grimmothy, if I can find it. I have it somewhere. It's a great picture, by the way. I'm just gonna finish it off with that. I don't have anything set up properly, so I'm flying off my seat as usual, guys. But yeah, I think it's fucking dumb, man. Like, especially with like trolls and stuff too. Like, even if you are a fucking troll or whatever, people call you trolls and shit, man, you're still a real person, and that's the way it is, man. It doesn't matter if you're a fucking, you know, you're not a fucking computer, man. You're a person. You might have a different name tag or fucking whatever, but you're, you know, you're a person. You're not a troll. And that's what people think, man. Same with shills, you know, it's the same fucking thing. They're real people. They might be like total fucking chilled out fucking people, but man, they're still people in the first place, right? So that's about it. Anyways, I'm going to finish off with the a little bit of Grimmothy, a little bit of music. I got to unplug my headphones to do this and change my fucking sound and shit, so I'll pick a nice song before I exit out, and you guys have a great day, man. And yeah, if you guys ever want to chat or whatever, hit me up later.
Do you think you're better off alone? 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 Do you think you're better